In this part of maths, we work with positive integers and negative integers. Therefore, we are going to see numerical properties of the sets of numbers that we have available so far, the integers. And if we have integers, we have the natural ones. For the neutral element, we have 2 points of view, seated as opposite elements, the one we are working on, and seated as opposite operations, I will discuss later. The neutral element is one that results from the operation of two opposite elements. It is called a neutral element because in a mathematical operation, the so-called neutral, its presence doesn't alter the expression. If we add 6 plus 13 plus 0, it is equal to 19. But if we add 6 plus 13 without 0, it also gives 19. Opposite additive or symmetric. The neutral element in the addition is 0, which will result from operating 6 minus 6. It is called symmetric because of its scheme on the real line. See the case of 6 and negative 6 in the figure. The element opposite 10 is minus 10. Its additive opposite. Another point of view would be to see the reverse operation. The inverse operation of addition and subtraction. If I have 10, when subtracting minus 10, I get the neutral. We see an example of an element with its opposite additive. Application of criterion. We use neutralization in the solution of an equation. In this case, it is 10 that contaminates the x, therefore I neutralize it by adding its opposite. I must subtract the same value from both sides of the equality, so that it isn't altered. We popularly say that 10 that is positive on one side pass negative on the other side. This is the principle that validates that saying. An equation is an equality with unknowns. The operation on one side must be repeated on the other with the same mathematical value. Another aspect is to visualize what operation is the one that contaminates the unknown. Then we will know what neutral we should obtain. Please support us on Patreon, subscribe, share, and hit the like button.